Hi, my name is Marissa, and I have a question for you. What's your favorite dog breed? Is it a Corgi? Well, I hope you said yes because that's what we're going to draw today. First, we're going to start off with its ear. Go up, around, and down. We're going to do another Corgi ear. It's going to stick out from the side like this. And feel free to pause the video if you need to go slower. We're going to start with the head, down, around for the nose. Let's go down and a little tiny line for the neck. The neck's going to come out here also, like this. And then we're going to draw the bottom round, 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 all the way around. Come back to the first line, close it up like this, go around, and then in the middle we'll draw little fur marks by going like this, like that, and then another line closing up that side. We're going to draw some legs. Let's draw a leg out here. And then another kind of rectangle square shape going out this way. We'll have another leg kind of connecting to that leg and going out. The head. Well, let's make some detail on the ear. We're going to make kind of like a zigzag-ish line for the fur going out. The eye is going to be round. And this time I'm going to kind of put like a moon, it looks like. And then on the smaller part of the moon, leave that white. And the rest you're going to color in black, like this. For the nose, it's a round on the corner, color it in. And then we're going to make him smile. Put a little smile line. We're going to also make a curve for the tail going right here. Looks good. Now let's color him in. There we go. Cute Corgi dog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more. There's new videos each week, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.